Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you a cool tool using ChatGPT and Google Sheets to create like a customer profile, really like in-depth understanding of who your avatar is, and then using that information in order to build hooks that can be used in emails and ads and on the website, a bunch of different places. So pretty powerful and pretty cool. And can be done really quickly. I did this one in like 10 minutes, so it's pretty straightforward. So I'll show you how that looks. So the first thing you're going to do though is you're going to want to create a spreadsheet that kind of has these columns in it, right? So the ones I have here right now are my inputs, or customer avatar, products, theme, geography don't really matter for now, ad type, and then USPs, and you're really just going to fill those out with the information you know about the product or the service for the client or your business or whatever it is. And so for this example, I'm just using a health supplement. So a busy professional, 35 years old, has trouble sleeping. They have disposable income and looking for easy solutions that are natural and organic. And then the product description is an organic health supplement that aids with sleep. Has a bunch of stuff in it. We have a bunch of positive reviews. And then some UFZs loved by athletes like LeBron James, so maybe you have an influencer or whatever, something like that. A guarantee, and again, more social proof here. So these can be really anything, it's just really quick. And so those are just your inputs that you're going to want to put in there. Then you're going to want to have other columns that are for your prompts, and then your outputs. And usually there's just going to be two. In this case, there's an extra one here. So before you do all that though, if you don't have ChatGPT integrated with Google Sheets, the first thing you're going to do here is you're going to go into your extensions and you're going to go to add-ons and you're going to search for it. You're going to go to get add-ons like this, and you're going to search for ChatGPT, and you're going to find the one that is called, what is it called? It's called GPT for Sheets and Docs. So I think, see if it comes up here. GPT for Sheets, yeah, Sheets and Docs. So this one here, which is this one here. Maybe that was right in front of you before and I missed it. So you're going to add that. I've already done that. So you're going to install that one, and then you're going to go down to it, and you're going to set your API key here. So if you don't know where your API key is, you go to this OpenAI website here and log in, and it'll give you your APIs, or you can create one, and you have to save it elsewhere or somewhere because you will lose it if you don't, and you'll have to create a new one. So just go here to this URL here, and you just set that up, and then you add it into here. Super straightforward. And then you're going to want to go back to that, and you're going to want to enable GPT functions just to make sure that it's actually working. So if you go in here, there's some cool stuff that you can kind of set and play around with if you want to as well. I just set one thing for this, which was a custom instruction for copywriter, and you could of course change all of that stuff or not use it. Doesn't necessarily matter. And so once that's all ready to go, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to create our prompt. And so for this one, what we're doing is we're creating a prompt to get a brainstorm around the before state of the customer and their mindset, and the after state. And we're going to use 5 categories in 5 different sections: have, feel, average, day, status, good versus evil. So what those are is what the customer has, what the customer feels like day to day, what their average day looks like, how they're perceived in comparison with their peers, and what big thing is being affected in their life right now because of the problem they're facing and the solution they're looking for. And then all we're going to do is we're actually just going to use a formula to pull in our customer avatar and our product. The reason we're going to do that is because if we want to update those, this now will automatically update for us. And then we're asking for 3 points for each of those categories. And so obviously you could approve this prompt. There's other ways to kind of do this, but this one still works pretty well. You can see then we have an output here. Kind of hard to read that, but I just pasted it below. And you can kind of see a little bit here. I just pasted that, but some interesting stuff. So before purchasing the supplement, the customer has a restless mind, can't switch it off, and so on and so forth. Frustrated and defeated, they feel like that. Their day begins groggy. They're known as the person with sleep trouble amongst their peers, and so on. So pretty useful, obviously. And then we're going to ask for the after state. So we're going to do the exact same thing, and we're just going to include the before state answers from here, and then ask for the after state, and we're going to get the same thing here. So after purchasing the supplement, customer now has a peaceful mind, so on and so forth, a sense of relief and triumph and so on. So some pretty interesting insights already that you can see how we might be able to use for various things in our marketing. And so, I mean, that could be really useful right there. But we'll continue on here, and we'll create a new tab for objections. And now basically what we're going to do is we're going to pull in our before and after states now, just through a formula into these cells. And we're going to create a new prompt now that is asking for 10 reasons that your avatar might object to the product, and then 1 sentence line of copy to overcome that objection. And then we're going to get a bunch of really cool objections and objection handling commentary here. So concerns about side effects, sure. And then the overcoming copy might be experience nature's gentle embrace of carefully sourced ingredients proven to aid sleep without any side effects. I mean, a little generic, but also not bad. Join thousands who've rediscovered the bliss of natural sleep, backed by countless glowing reviews. Our transparent community of satisfied sleepers speaks volumes. Dive into our authentic stories and see for yourself. So yeah, a little generic, but still pretty useful. And so now what we can do is we've essentially been stacking each of these outputs, right? So we started with just the basic information. Now we have the before and after state, and then now we're going to add on the objections. So we had all this information stacked that we're then adding into these new prompts. And then our last prompt, we're going to ask it for some hooks. And so we're going to say, you know, this is the one I have here. You're a copywriter and direct response marketer, marketing expert with experience and having studied from greats like David Ogilvy and so on, famous copywriters. Now you're going to create these hooks based on information, and we just, again, pull in all of our different information from the other prompts and provide some examples of hook structures and ask it to write in a variety of forms. 5 is statement, question, and challenge to their undesirable state. And then we run that and we see here's our output. So discover the secret to deep uninterrupted sleep. That has eluded you for years. Tired of counting sheep? Discover the sleep solution that actually works. Can't shut off your racing mind at night? Find out how our supplement can help you finally relax. Stop letting sleepless nights control your life. Take back control. Yeah, not bad, right? Some of these are interesting. Stop struggling to find a solution for your sleep troubles. Try our natural remedy and see the difference. So, pretty interesting. And then we can take it one step further here, and we can add an additional style of hook. So in this one, we just went for each hook should be lighthearted. So we said the exact same thing, except each hook should be lighthearted or comedic in tone. Try to make them unexpected. And now you can see the output is a little bit different. Warning may cause excessive pillow hugging and drool stains. Our sleep supplement is that good. Sleep is nice, got you feeling like a zombie, or organic sleep aid is your secret weapon for waking up refreshed and ready to conquer the day. Like these, that I like now. I feel like it's got a bit more personality, right? So playing around with that prompt obviously helped. So of course that's useful and interesting, and now we have a bunch of these hooks that we can then, we have 30 basically hooks here that we can then take, we can refine, we can look at, might give us new ideas, we can pass those off to the team and whoever's writing copy and writing scripts and come up with new hooks based on these, and it happens really, really quick, it's done really quick. And the really cool thing that I love about this is that if at any point I want to go back now that this is set up and just change anything, of course I can change my prompts, but if I like my prompts and they seem to be giving me really interesting results, then maybe I'm just changing my avatar. Maybe I'm targeting somebody different. Maybe I'm targeting a different product. Maybe I want to include different USPs, other information. I'm running a geographically specific campaign or something else. I can add that here, and that's all I have to do is change that. And the minute I hit enter, all of these prompts, everything else is going to automatically update. I'm going to have new outputs from the AI in a matter of moments. So pretty powerful, pretty cool stuff. And yeah, let me know what you think if you try it out. Thanks for watching.